Today we're gonna make a brand new potato salad that I like to call Betta potato salad. You only need 3 ingredients to make this salad. The first thing you're gonna need are a couple little creamer potatoes. Get those quartered up in water, medium-high heat, boiling with salt on the stove. The next thing you need is some taboule salad. Taboule salad is just parsley, cracked wheat, tomatoes, onions, lemon juice, spices. It's delicious. Lastly, you're gonna need a bunch of tomatoes. The more skin, the better. Go through the ones that you have, pull out the ones that are ready today, and use those first. Depending on size, quarter them, half them, do what you need to do. Oh, I found this little one that looks like a baby. After you cut up your tomatoes, here's a quick tip for you. If you cannot slice a tomato with your opposite hand in one swipe, it's time to sharpen your knife. All right, back to work. We have all of our tomatoes cut up. We're gonna add our taboule salad in there while the potatoes are almost done cooking. This is all bonus. So you're gonna add some fresh oregano, some feta, and then we need to season the whole thing. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt. I found this salt that has a little bit of lemon in it from the Finger Lakes. It's amazing. Then we need acid. I'm gonna use a white wine vinegar. I find it to be the most mild, and I think a little bit of extra virgin olive oil just to round it out. So to make sure your potatoes are done, you're gonna stab them. They shouldn't split. Drain them and let them just cool on their own. Next, you're gonna take your oregano, just hold it with one hand, strip it with the other hand. It's super easy. Take a fork and chop up our feta. Add our sea salt, olive oil, vinegar, throw in those cooled potatoes, and you have a delicious summer side dish that satisfies any palate. Subscribe to me for more fast favorites.